mom is very supportive. She's very giving, and she's a very caring person, very sacrificing, very jovial.
My mother, first of all, I'll say she's God-fearing, she's prayerful, she's beautiful, she's ever cheerful, pleasant, always smiling, and I really drew that from her. She's a strong woman, and she's a go-getter.
She's a very hardworking one, very caring, and selfless. She gives more than what she has in every aspect, financially and just uplifting spiritually. So very God-fearing woman that does it all.
She's a hardworking person, a good cook. So she's very neat. She likes to, like if you give her stuff, she holds on to it. She still has stuff from, I don't know, way before I was born. And, oh, we had this when you were 6 months old or something like that. Should have thrown that away. So maybe she's a hoarder. I would say she's prayerful. Yeah, she's awesome.
Honestly, can't say one thing. I think she just sacrificed everything. Single mother, took care of 4 kids. She sacrificed of her time, of her life, financially, to support us, and I can't thank her enough for that. And I really do appreciate everything she does.
My mom has sacrificed the most is coming to the U.S. and a lot of the decisions she made before I was even born, I didn't realize have set us on a trajectory towards success. So the public school that she selected us to go to, and just the community that we were brought in, those were a lot of sacrifices she made for us.
She sacrificed herself. Everything about her, she sacrificed her time, her moment, her energy, all the money she had. She has a saying like, my children are my banks. So she actually invested everything she could on us. And of course, she does sacrifice, the Nigerian credit card. Oh, she'll be like, don't worry, just continue talking. I've sent someone to get credit for me, So she sacrificed everything.
I've tried to show appreciation to my mom, but I would say not enough. I wish I can still, But she doesn't ask me for anything, so I don't know. I wish I can give her more stuff, and make her more happy. She's always content. So, but I try to tell her thank you, mom, for being a very nice person.
I have tried to thank her, but I don't think there's much I can do that really encompasses how much she's done for us. So I think occasionally I give her a portion of my bonus, because I wouldn't have the career or the work ethic if it wasn't for her. But again, there's only so much you can do for someone who's really made this life for you.
Cannot thank my mom enough for everything that she's done, but I do try. So when I see her, I embrace her. I tell her I love her. Whenever I have an opportunity to, I call her. We talk. But honestly, can't thank her enough. In everything that I do, I try to do it the best I possibly can, just so that she's proud. I think proud moments are a little, in her eyes, are just like the best moments. So I try to make her proud as much as I possibly can, and be the best child that she can ask for.
I've always thanked her for everything that she's done for me, because over the years I see everything and I'm always grateful, and in everything I do too, she's always proud of me. I've honored her in diverse ways, in different things, and I guess that's a thank you back to her.
If I could give my mom anything in the world, it would be a house one day, if I get that far, and hopefully grandchildren. So hopefully I'll be able to bless her like she's blessed us.
What I think I would have given to her, because now she's late, is I'll probably say long life, but I definitely can't give that to her. But I have really thanked her, so I just need to keep up the legacy that she's put down.
Make the most of the opportunity that she gave us. She sacrificed a ton, so for me to do something terrible and not be great in everything that I do would be putting her sacrifice in vain. So just being the best person I can be, would be the ultimate, I think, thing that my mom would absolutely love. Happy Mother's Day from a proud mama's boy.
Happy Mother's Day.